We are heading down to Caffeine Classics today at Hampton Downs. We're going along with Reese and also Emir. So we'll have the Skyline down there, Emir's 350Z, and Reese's Altezza Turbo. So should be pretty good. It's basically like a hard park show and shine type event. They have a few things open during the day. I think they've got a track cruise. I think there's some other types of drifting, I think. But we're going to be going there for the 1 hour pad session. So stick around for some footage.
Imagine, if you will, sitting down to your morning coffee, turning on your home computer, and reading today's newspaper. Well, it's not as far-fetched as it may seem. In fact, both local San Francisco papers are investing a lot of money to try to get the service just like that started. Science editor Steve Newman reports on one person already using the brand new system.
Past trauma still haunting my dreams. Probably cause the perfect picture I painted of life was serene. Penned a letter, corrected every punctuation error. Panoramic views looking more paranormal than ever. Interstellar fantasies on my painkillers to pacify parodies of life. I write passages of light, a paradise of charity and love. Some say it's passe. Hate paralyzed on my food for thought on some pancakes till the pan breaks. Particles of passion praying for peace. The world promised American pie, I've yet to get a piece. Patience a virtue, they told me. Am I being penalized for the old me?
Sweet, so just got registration. We're going to be heading down to the skid pad now. The sessions are an hour long, so it should be pretty good. But yeah, we'll see how it goes.
Traumatized from past battles, trying not to let it overtake me. Thinking, God, did you forsake me? Night terrors awaken me. Triumphant tragedy, my tainted tale. Technical career, thriving to fail. I try my hardest, never tardy, so the bitches never tarnish. Dreams, talisman of garnet. The melody's therapeutic, my target is the theory. Translation, tranquility from torture. Theoretical theory, guidance through technological tyrannies. Traverse my verse, I testify my testimony sincerely. Try, man. Sincerity is what it sounds like. Sonically share my soul. Although something was missing, I'm subtly whole. I sacrifice sadness for sacred songs. Seeking salvation, never knew it would take this long. Man, singing of savory scenery while I scrutinize self-will. But my scenarios are utilized when I serenade serene sentences with skill. Got a sixth sense. Bruce Willis, smart, standing still there. All of my darling, these are my thoughts while I await destiny. If I can defeat the demons distracting our day. Diabolical, terrorizing my dreams. Debating determination, desire and danger of devastation. Devil in darkness, deceiving, leading to our defeat. Dreams decomposing, decaying underneath grief and making decorations.
Alright, I had a couple of runs already. I've got to say I feel so much more confident in the car now since having extra angle and having done my handbrake properly. So everything feels pretty good right now. I think it's been 3 runs. Amir's had a few, Reese has had a few as well. It's all going pretty good so far, so yeah, the turnout isn't as big as I expected it to be, but it's still so much fun, so let's get back out there.
I refuse to lose, burn off the noose. I refuse to snooze, turn off the news. They asking Blue, how you doing? Really want the truth? Plus this. Granny, I still think about you often. Lost in a state of exhaustion. Countless nights of hard work, saying prayers for precaution. Still believe in what I can't see. Cup of OJ for concentration with my main squeeze. Some people you just can't please. I
warm-up strap.
Just checking my toe, my alignment.
Those last minute alignments before the track?
Yeah, I definitely turned it the wrong way yesterday because I was talking to someone at the same time adjusting it. So it's towed in now instead of slightly out.
Is it bad? Or
that's not too bad. I can change it. I think I might go do that now.
sweet? Probably bad. How was it? Fucking good, yeah? Good shit, yeah? Have you seen what's going to be going up ahead of you guys? Hey, what? So how'd they go for you? How'd you feel?
It went great.
Yeah?
It went fantastic.
Awesome, you look like a gigantic out there.
Cheers,
man.
mate.
So good. The skyline feels so much better.
It looks so much better.
I feel so much more confident now in it. It's great.
You're doing good, man. You're doing so good. I'm so proud of you.
Next time, handbrake. Get your handbrake sorted.
Oh, hell yeah. The handbrake's so shit.
So that's it. The day is done. It's only been a couple of hours out here, but I mean, for 25 bucks, we couldn't really complain. The car went absolutely awesome. Felt really good. Reese is doing really good, and Amir was doing awesome as well. So next weekend, we've got Amir's birthday drift day, so there will be more videos coming for next week. But until then, stay tuned, like, share, subscribe, comment if you want to, and yeah, we'll keep things rolling. Cheers.